Hey guys, I forgot to record a intro to this video, so don't forget to subscribe and go ahead and keep on watching. Alright guys, so here is the packaging. Here is 10 mocha, so it has a nice squeeze. The brand does have their own sponge, but I'm just going to use mine because I don't need any new sponges. Seriously? There we go. And it's probably gonna be kind of dark. This is my bare face. And I'm gonna apply the Ulta matte primer. They also have primers in their collection. I'm just gonna do this half of my face and then we shall see. So as you can see there, it is red. And this was the darkest shade that they have. This is what it looks like. As you can tell, it is pretty dark. This is no makeup, no makeup. So I'm going to go ahead and apply it to the other side of my face, and then I'll come back and do the setting powder and the blush. Okay, so I have let it set, and actually in person, it doesn't look too bad. I wanted to show you guys a quick comparison here. Here is the Clinique Beyond Perfecting, and in the middle is NARS, let's see what color this is, NARS Dark 2 New Orleans, and then this splotch right here is the actual color that I have on now, which is Mocha. So as you can see, these are 3 different foundations that I currently own. I wear these two. I've been really loving the Clinique Beyond Perfecting 2-in-1 foundation. I have a video on both of these, and I'll link those in the card above and in the description box. But I just want to give you guys for reference how dark this one is that I currently have on versus the other two that I wear. Since I did put on under eye concealer, which is the NARS creamy or NARS soft matte complete concealer in medium dark 3 Amande, and that is what's under my eyes, and I feel like that is bouncing off of the yellowness that's in my chest, so it kind of looks okay. I'm gonna take pictures outside as well shortly, but I wanted to come on and do the powdered, the setting powder before I do the blush. It's really light. If you guys haven't seen my Sally's haul, I'll leave that in the card above as well. And this comes with a nice little puff. All right, let's swatch this. Whoa. Maybe it's translucent. I don't think so. Very finely milled kind of sparkles, which I'm not a fan of. I think this is absolutely too light, as you can see right here. It's too light to go all over my face, so I'm just going to use it to set my under. Light that is. That would not look good all over my face. That would be a hot mess. But here is Chatty. You can read that. This BH Cosmetics flat brush. I'm gonna go with that because that probably can get more product. Now let's see. So swirl it on here. Tap off any, and let's see. Oh, okay, I like that. That's really pretty. Look at that. Ooh, hey girl. Hey. Okay. All right, guys, that is it. 10:47 in the AM. So I am going to take some photos, just go throughout my day as I normally would, and I will come back throughout the day to let you guys know how I'm liking this foundation. It is let's see, I think it's like 10 something. 8, I mean, oh my gosh, I can't talk. It's 8:07, and full disclosure, I do have a lot of kind of shiny, or it's not oil, it's like a serum in my hair, so I think that kind of dripped down onto my forehead a little, so my forehead is a little shiny, my nose is a little shiny. I still have remnants of blush here, but as you can see, my cheeks are starting to break out, so I'm not sure if it was a brush that I used or if it was actually the blush, so I'll use a different blush tomorrow. Alright guys, so my final thoughts on the Col-lab products that I purchased. I definitely think it's a good price point for the quality of the products. Actually, I mean, they could have charged a bit more because I feel like the quality of the products were 2 thumbs up in my book. My hair product oils were kind of trickling down my face, so that has no bearings on the product. But I did see a little today that my nose was a little shiny and my forehead still was a little shiny. But what I noticed is everywhere that I put the setting powder today, which was different from yesterday, it has been shine free. I just have on highlight so it looks a little shimmerier today, but I did notice for sure that setting powder has some shimmers in it. It's minimal shimmers, but if you don't like shimmers, then you may want to stay away from the setting powder. But I did love, and I do love the foundation. On camera it looks like my face is orange, but in daylight or when you go out in the day, it looks great. And I'll show you a couple photos here of how it looks in daylight. It looks good, and it was crazy because on camera it showed up really dark and really orange, but looks good in person. So and then the blush, I'm wearing the blush again today as well as I did yesterday. The blush it says it's sheer, but it's buildable. So if you don't like, you either want it sheer, or if you really want to put the blush on heavy, you can also do that. I would like to try the primer to see how the foundation holds up with their primer. And also they have some cool eyeshadow palettes. I personally do not need any more eyeshadow palettes. It would be nice if they had a darker shade range. All in all, I do enjoy these products and I highly recommend them if you're in the market for some new makeup items that you can pick up at your local Sally's Beauty Supply store. Alright, I think that is it, you guys. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section below. Don't forget to thumbs up if you really enjoyed this video, and I will catch you guys in my next one. And of course, don't forget to subscribe so you can see all my videos. Alright, I'll catch you guys in my next one. Bye!